Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening?
All right, today we got something a little bit different. We got a what? Another unboxing. So today we're gonna be unboxing these. As you know, been hearing rumors about people still getting canceled, but I'm glad mom has come in. This is for the Maniere website. If you don't already know, these are all those Jordan 5, aka Dawn. Bam! Does come in this all blue box. It says my size 11.5, which equals to men's 10. Go ahead and open these bad boys up. This is a pretty cool box. It does have that A I'm a Maniere on the lid of the shoe box, which is a very nice touch in my humble opinion. It'll come with that A I'm a Maniere paper that we're accustomed to seeing. And bam, we got the shoe. Check out these bad boys. I've been waiting for these to get things in hand to get these sneaker reviews with you. This is a very clean shoe. I did think that these were going to be the more exclusive pair, but apparently the black pair seem like are going for more higher retail, but it doesn't matter to me. These are personal for me. If you don't know, like this quality on this shoe is very nice. You're not going to see this extra quality on these Jordan 5s. The same with the We The Best, DJ Khaled's. Don't get caught up in the hype, sneakerheads. Rock what you like. For me, these are pairs that we would normally not get in our hand because they will be very hard to get. It does feature a lot of beautiful things that are not normal on Jordan 5s. If you can see, it does have that whole bunch of A's on the side netting, which is very nice touch right here. It does have a whole bunch of A's for Alma Maniere. This is not the normal Jordan 5 netting. Again, it does feature that stitch 23 that we don't normally get as well. So I do think this is a nice touch. On the back, we do have that Nike Air branding, which everyone likes. This is a very clean shoe in my humble opinion. It does feature that predominantly white upper. It does have that black midsole. I'm calling this a diffused blue on the shark tooth. It does have that aged midsole, Jumpman in blue diffuse, black in the middle, Nike branding, which is normal on Jordan 5s. Moving around to the other side, we do have that aged knitting again. This is a very clean shoe. Move around to the back. This is all stitched, which is done very nice in my humble opinion. It does have that netting right here in the A's on the tongue. Very nice touch. This one right here has that lace lock, see-through colorway. It does have that A on this shoe on the tongue for A I'm a Maniere. This is very clean. On this other one right here, you see we have the Jordan Jumpman, which we're accustomed to seeing. It does come with two set of lacings, a sail and white, which I think is very generous, being that these are $125 shoe. So good job on that. I wish that Jordan brand will go ahead and start throwing in more laces since we are paying more for these shoes. It does come in with a set of gray laces, so if you want a more plain look, you can just leave the gray ones in. If you just want more of a little bit of color pop, you can add one of these two color laces. As for me, I don't know, since the cage it's kind of stale, this gray does kind of pop along that caging, so I don't know if I'll change that out. But if anything, I would probably be going for, I would assume the sail. I don't know, like the whole shoe. I know you can't see it too clear right now, but it kind of looks like a gray shoe on the camera. Let me see if I can cut up the light a little bit. Here we go. It is a totally white shoe, so I don't know. I think white on white will just be another clean shoe with this gray right here that it comes with. It does create a little bit of pop. White on white, in my opinion, not going to get that pop, but definitely the sail will make the shoe pop as well. So those are the color options. Let me know in the comments, sneakheads. Are you rocking these Jordan 5 8 Ama Manieres? Are you dropping these?
Hey, one thing with Jordan Brand, I mean, let's put some thought behind that. I know you guys are following our channel. You're just not giving us that thumbs up. But put some thought behind what we're doing. White pair during the winter. Come on, man. Let's put some thought behind what we're doing. So saying all that, my brother, hey, just get a big thumbs down. Right.
Yes, sir.
I will be dropping those, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Hey, drop us a comment down below, if you rocking those or dropping those.
Again, this is a very clean shoe, my humble opinion. I'm glad we was able to get these in for you. I would definitely, if you haven't got yours, go ahead and cop those if you want them. So the padding of the upper of this Maniere, they did take some of the padding out right here to give it a more sleeker look from the side. As you can tell, it doesn't have that big bump right here on the side that we're normally seeing with the Jordan 5s with all that padding in there. But this is a sleek down look, the same as with the DJ Cali's. Again, that tongue on this side features Michael Jordan on one, and it does, in the back of this one, it does have that I'm a Maniere. Again, like regular folks like us, we don't normally see these collaborations. It's usually hard to get. So I recommend that if you do like 5s and rock 5s, I definitely would go ahead and recommend these. Again, just the quality on these is very nice in my humble opinion. There's a lot of attention to detail on here that we don't normally see on the Jordan 5. That's the main thing that I recommend for rocking these. It may be an abundance of a pair right now, but down the line, they're going to be in less and less pairs. And so I can see these being easily, $350 shoe in the future. But right now, this white pair is going down to like $250 for resale. So again, if you want these, don't hesitate. Go and cop them for personals. If you're looking for a resale, I'll say stay away from these. But let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments, Sneakerheads.
Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.